Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make Lebanese lemonade, a truly refreshing drink. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh lemons, granulated sugar, cold water, and a touch of orange blossom water. Choosing ripe, firm lemons is key for the best juice and most vibrant flavor. We will also prepare a simple syrup to ensure perfect sweetness and a smooth texture. Next, let's get juicing. You'll need to juice about 6 to 8 medium-sized lemons, aiming for approximately 1 cup or 240 milliliters of freshly squeezed lemon juice. For the simple syrup, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of hot water. Stir until the sugar completely dissolves, creating a clear, sweet base for our lemonade. Now it's time to combine our ingredients. Pour the fresh lemon juice and the cooled simple syrup into a large pitcher. Gradually add 4 cups, or 960 milliliters, of cold water, stirring well to integrate everything. For that distinctive Lebanese flavor, stir in 1 teaspoon of fragrant orange blossom water. This unique addition elevates the lemonade beautifully. Finally, give your Lebanese lemonade a taste test. Adjust the sweetness or tartness by adding a little more syrup or lemon juice if needed. Serve this delightful beverage chilled over ice, perhaps garnished with a fresh lemon slice or a mint sprig. This recipe yields approximately 6 refreshing servings, perfect for sharing with friends and family.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.